Namaste. So today's topic in pharmaceutical organic chemistry is imidazole. We will cover today several topics like pyridine and purine. So first is imidazole. Imidazole and its derivative are one of the most vital and universal heterocycle in medical chemistry. Owing to this spatial structural feature, these compounds exhibit a widespread spectrum of significant pharmacological and biological activity. So they are used in many pharmaceutical companies. Imidazole ring, which is widely found in the natural product and medical molecule, is one of the most prominent five-member nitrogen-containing heterocyclic ring imidazole based heterocyclic compound which possess a vital position in the medical chemistry, having played a central role in the treatment of numerous diseases and also used in new derivative for the medical use are being developed in the worldwide. In present, the compounds which are widely contain the imidazole are antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antiparasitic, anti-cancer, antihistaminic. So these are some which are in these imidazole derivatives are widely used. So this is the synthesis of the imidazole from amidine. So next is purines and pyrimidine. Purine and pyrimidine make up the two groups of nitrogenous base. These bases make up a crucial part of both deoxyribonucleotide and ribonucleotides and the basis of for the universal genetic code. The general term purine also refer to substituted purine and their tautomers. The purine is the most widely distributed nitrogen-containing heterocycle in nature. The quantity of natural occurring purine product on the earth is 50% of the bases in nucleic acid, adenine and guanine are purine. In DNA, these bases from hydrogen bonds with their complementary pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine. This is called complementary base pairing. The beginning of the purine ring system is the most unique in all the heterocyclic compound. Although purine itself has never been found in nature, substituted purine like adenine, guanine or their respective nucleoside and nucleotide derivative are the most common class of nitrogen heterocycles which play a crucial role in a wide variety of functions of living beings. As nucleotide, they are the building blocks of the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. They serve as energy cofactor as part of coenzyme in oxidation reduction reaction. As important second messenger in many intracellular sign transduction process. Purigenic receptors are mainly bind in them. So next is role of purine in the regulation of metabolic network and signal transduction. Use of uric acid and its derivative in the treatment of multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Use of bilirubin and its analog in the treatment of chronic lymphocytic leukemia. The role of purine based cyclin dependent kinase inhibitor in promoting apoptosis of cancer cells. Renowned as the target for drug discovery, use of cyclonucleoside in the treatment of viruses and cancer, synthesis and use of purines with antiviral and anti-cancer properties, targeting purine pathway for the development of anti-malarias. So next is pyrimidine. Pyrimidine are the heterocyclic aromatic compounds similar to the benzene and pyridine, containing two nitrogen atoms at position 1 and 3 of the 6-membered ring. Heterocycles containing pyrimidine moiety are of great interest because they constitute an important class of natural and non-natural products, many of which exhibit useful biological activity and clinical applications. So this is the structure of pyrimidine. Next is the presence of pyrimidine base in thymine, cytosine and uracil, which are the essential building block of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, is one possible reason for their widespread therapeutic application. The pyrimidine represent one of the most active classes of compound possessing wide spectrum of biological activities. Significant in vitro activity against unrelated DNA and RNA viruses, and including polioherpes viruses, diuretic, anti-tumor, anti-HIV, and cardiovascular. In addition to this, various analogues of pyrimidine have been found to possess antibacterial, antifungal, anti-leishmanial, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antihypertensive, antipyretic, antiviral, antidiabetic, antiallergic, anticonvulsant, antioxidant, antihistamic, herbicidal, anti-cancer activities, and many of its derivatives are reported to possess potential central nervous system depressant property. It also acts as calcium channel blocker. So this is how the pyridine is used as antibacterial agent. So this we have completed here. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.